Creating your own web page is a pretty easy thing to do, especially if you use a template. So to use the teacher web page template, what you want to do is log into Google and make sure you see your email address in the upper right hand corner. Once you're there, look for Sites across the top of the page on the black bar and go ahead and click on it. And that'll actually take you to your Google Sites library. Now in my case, I have some sites that either I've created or other people have created and shared with me. So I have some stuff in my sites library. You may or may not have this information there. But it's okay. If you do or you don't, all you need to look for is for the red Create button on the left side of the screen. So I'm going to click Create. And what that does is it takes me to a little menu where I can either use a blank template or I can browse the gallery for more. Now there's already a teacher web page template created, so probably what I want to do is browse the gallery for more, look through the templates that are part of natomascharter.org and find the teacher web page template. However, realize that you can come here for other projects and click through some of the public templates and find templates there that you might want to use as well. But for now, we're just going to use the teacher web page template. So I click on the template. Then I click Preview Template. And in my case, I get a little blue bar here that says this template is in the site gallery. Any changes you make will be visible to all users. But what I want to do is use this template. So for me, I have a little link here that says Use Template. In your case, over on the right side of your screen in this general vicinity, you should see a blue button that says Use Template. So wherever it happens to be for you, over on the right where it says Use Template, or for me up here at the top where it says Use this template, I want to click on that button. And it takes me back to the page that I originally started on. But now instead of using a blank template, I'm using the teacher web page template. So the next thing I need to do is give my site a name. So I'm just going to call this Mr. Woods Class Test Number 2, because I already have a Test Number 1 going. And you can come back later and modify this name if you realize you made a typo or your last name changes or something like that. But you just need to have something in that box. And then you click the red Create button. Oh, and in my case, I must have already used this before. So let me make this, I guess, test number 3. And I'm going to click Create Site. And it takes a minute or two sometimes for it to create your site. But basically what it's doing is it's copying everything over from that template and making you your own version of the particular site. So when it's done, you should see something similar to the template, except for it will have whatever you called your site across the top of the page at the top. Alright, so that's how you make a teacher web page template using the template that we have in the NCS gallery. In the next video, we'll take a look at what all is included in this particular template.